Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Gita Global School. So, students, from your honeycomb book, we were reading chapter number 6 in the first video, that is Export Detectives. And today in video number 2, we are going to read pages 87 and 88. So, let's begin. Now, see, in the previous video, what we have seen that both brothers and sisters were talking about the scars which Mr. Nath has got on his face. Let's see what happens. What Nishad continues. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. Seven looked unsure. So what did Maya told? That पुलिस ने मिस्टर नाथ को भगाने के लिए उसके घर को आग लगा दिया था. ओके, एंड निशाद लुक totally confused that what Maya is telling, is all this true? On Monday following Mama's birthday, Seven went alone with her to clinic at Girgaon. So where was Nishad and Maya's Mama's clinic? It was at Girgaon, and on that day it was their mother's birthday, and so Nishad went to her clinic. As I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath. So when Nishad's mother and Nishan returned back home, then Nishad told Maya that he went to Mr. Nath's house and felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. Okay. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt up, means sickly. He looked very sick, thin, pale, as if he was not having food, as if he was starving. So with this look, Seven felt very bad, very upset for him, and was sure that he was starving. And he was confirmed now that he was starving, he was not having any kind of food. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." So he banged the door very loudly and even told at a very loud voice to Mr. Nath to open the door. Okay, the man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" So generally what happened, the marble of Nishad, Nishad used to play marble, and that marble used to roll to Mr. Nath's house. So when Nishad shouted to open the door, Mr. Nath opened the door and asked him straightforwardly that he has as if Nishad has lost another marble. He had obviously recognized my brother. So what Maya is saying, that every time Nishad knocks his door and Mr. Nath has recognized him. No, said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. So Nishad told, "No, I haven't lost any marble." और जैसे किसी को जबरदस्ती हाथ पे कोई चीज रख के देते हैं कि आपको लेना ही है, निशाद क्या करता है, सेवन क्या करता है, एक चॉकलेट देता है और मिस्टर नाथ के हाथ पे रख के जबरदस्ती कहता है कि लो, आपको खाना ही पड़ेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि निशाद को लगता है कि वो कुछ खाता पीता नहीं है, इतना पतला सा है, ही इज स्टार्विंग आउट ऑफ फूड. ओके, सो व्हाट माया आस्क्ड नेक्स्ट, डिड यू गेट अ चांस टू पिक इनटू द ट्रंक, सेवन? आई आस्क्ड. तो उनके घर पे कोई ट्रंक टाइप की चीज थी जहां माया को लगता था he has hidden lots of money, gold and silver. So Maya confirms Seven that did he saw that trunk? Did he could see anything hidden inside it? Nishant looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in, he said. Then he smiled, but I did find out something. Maya, I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. So Nisha tells Maya that no, I could not see in the trunk because he did not ask Nishad even to come into his house, but he went downstairs where the restaurant was there, where Ramesh used to work, and Ramesh used to bring food every day for Mr. Nath. So Seven went there. So what next? Maya tells, "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. कोई अच्छा करता शाबाशी नहीं देते हैं थपथपा के पीठ पे. So Maya behaved like that. I hope you questioned him properly. So Maya confirms to Nishad that I think you have asked proper questions and queried properly. 7. Look please. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening. That means जो रमेश है उन्होंने बताया निशाद को कि 2 बार खाना ले जाता है सुबह शाम मिस्टर नाथ के लिए. And 2 cups of tea also. One in the morning and one in the afternoon. So 2 meals, one in the morning, one at night. 2 cup of teas, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Who takes this? Ramesh, the boy who works in the restaurant downstairs of Mr. Nath's house. He takes these meals for Mr. Nath. Ramesh says. So what did Ramesh say to 7? He is not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. So Ramesh tells 7 that regularly he takes the same kind of food, chapatis, dal and vegetable, and even he pays the amount of the food in cash to Ramesh and gives tips, good tips also to Ramesh. Ramesh told me something very strange. Maya, 7 added. So what 7 said? Almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same man is with him each time. So every day some man on Sunday visits Mr. Nath's house and on that day Mr. Nath orders 2 different meals to Ramesh and Ramesh takes that 2 different meals. So how that man looks? Who informed? Ramesh informed to 7. He is tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. Okay, so that man who generally visits Mr. Nath on every Sunday, he wears his spectacles also. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. So Ramesh says the visitor who comes to Mr. Nath's house on every Sunday, he talks a lot, he chatters a lot. But Mr. Nath is opposite of that, he hardly talks or tells something. Okay. Well done, Nishad, I told him. Who said? Maya. Maya told Nishad, well done. Why? Because Nishad gave, as an assistant, gave many information to Maya regarding Mr. Nath. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. So now Maya is thinking, Maya is telling to Nishad, we have got many clues and now we have to catch the crook, catch the culprit like good detectives, like expert detectives. How do you go on, Maya? 7 sized. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. So 7 adds that, how can you tell that Mr. Nath is a crook? He looks so innocent. So what Maya tells? Criminals can look quite ordinary. Smarty, I retorted. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? So Maya tells whoever is a culprit, whoever is a crook, he always looks very simple and ordinary so that people do not doubt him. And even she adds that if he has seen the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the paper which came yesterday, he looked like any man on the street. Nisha looked doubtful. Nisha said he looks very simple like others. Nothing different is there in Mr. Nath's face that we can say he is a crook. The monsoons broke the next day. That means the rainy season started the next day. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. Schools was to have reopened after the summer holidays. But no traffic could move through the flooded roads and there was an unexpected holiday. So now the monsoon season had started, children. When monsoon starts, there is a lightning, rain. Okay, so all this happened and there was water logging in the street, because of which there was a lot of traffic and vehicles could not move and they had got a holiday from their school. I thought, who said? Maya. I would spend the time usefully, and Maya thought it's a school holiday and I will utilize this time very properly. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. So Maya took a paper to write all the details they have found about Mr. Nath to write it. Okay, so please read this 2 pages. Thank you.